Do you know why most medical experts for the defense refuse to bring the medical records in that they reviewed when they testify in court? You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you an inside look at why these experts don't bring their records into court. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. There's a key reason why the defense's medical expert will not bring in the entire stack of records that the defense sent to them in order to review the case, to now come in and testify that their doctor and their hospital staff did nothing wrong in a medical malpractice case. The key reason is that during the course of cross-examination, I have an opportunity to ask this doctor what medical records he reviewed in order to reach his opinions and conclusions. And now the doctor's going to read off an entire list of records that he reviewed in order to reach his conclusions and opinions. But did you know that if I ask the doctor if he has any notes, I am entitled to see whatever notes the doctor wrote? Now, why would I want to do that? Because I want to see what he was thinking as he's reading these documents. I want to know whether or not he has an opinion that's different from what he's testifying about. I want to know if there are certain things in his notes about things that are favorable to us that he's not telling the jury about. And the only way I can learn about that information is if I see his notes. And where would his notes typically be? Right in the medical records that he reviewed. That's why you will find that the best trial attorneys in New York will always ask the doctor, "Where are the records, doctor? Did you make any notes?" "No, I didn't." "Really? Show me the records, doctor, so that I have an opportunity to see for myself whether or not you did in fact make notes." "Oh, my attorney said not to bring any records in. Everything would be in court." Really? Well, that's a clear strategy the defense uses, and they tell the doctor, when you're asked this question by the attorney whether you brought any records in, you simply turn around and say and feign ignorance, meaning, "Hey, I didn't bring any records in because my attorney said not to, and all the original records would be in court." Well, yes, that's true. But the reason why I want to see your records, doctor, is because I want to see whether you made any notes or comments in the margins of the records that you reviewed. "Oh, no, I don't have that." "Well, doctor, can you have somebody go to your office and bring them here to the court during the break?" No, I don't have anybody available to do that." "Well, if we brought you back tomorrow, would you be able to bring that here?" And now there's going to be a whole big stink and a whole big argument about whether or not the doctor's going to have to come back the next day with a stack of medical records just for me to see those notes. "Where are those records, doctor?" "Show us. Let me see them." "Oh, no, I don't have them." "Really?" Well, there's a reason why they didn't bring them into court. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.